Hey there, welcome to our video on coding for beginners. How to get started with Python. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not a computer science major, I don't have a background in programming, I can't code. But let me tell you, coding is not as difficult as you might think. In fact, with the right tools and resources, anyone can learn to code. And that's what we're here to do today, to get you started on your coding journey. So, why Python? Well, Python is a versatile, high-level programming language that is widely used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and many other areas. It's also relatively easy to learn, with a simple syntax and a large community of users who have developed a wide range of libraries and modules. Before we dive into the code, let's first set up our development environment. To get started with Python, you'll need to download and install a Python interpreter. You can do this by visiting the official Python website and following the instructions for your operating system. Once you have Python installed, you can start writing and running your first Python script. To do this, you'll need a text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE. A text editor is a simple program that allows you to write and save text files, while an IDE is a more advanced program that provides features such as code highlighting, debugging and code completion. Some popular text editors for Python include Notepad++ and Sublime Text, and some popular IDEs include PyCharm and Visual Studio Code. Now, let's write our first Python script. Open up your text editor or IDE and type in the following line of code. Print hello world. This is a simple program that will print the message hello world to the screen. Save the file as hello.py and then run it by typing python hello.py in the command line. And there you have it, you've just written your first Python program. Now, let's move on to some more advanced concepts. Python has a wide range of data types, including integers, floats, strings, and booleans. These data types are the building blocks of any program, and you'll need to understand how to use them to write more complex programs. Another important concept in Python is control flow. This refers to the way in which the program flows through different sections of code based on certain conditions. Python provides several control flow statements, such as if-else and for loop, that allow you to control the flow of your program. One of the most powerful features of Python is its ability to work with data. Python provides a wide range of libraries and modules for data analysis, such as NumPy and Pandas, that allow you to load, manipulate, and analyze large sets of data. Python also has a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks for web development, such as Django and Flask, that allow you to build complex web applications quickly and easily. Lastly, Python has a very large and active community of users, which means that you'll never be alone on your coding journey. There are countless resources and tutorials available online, and you can always reach out to the community for help and support. In conclusion, Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that is easy to learn and widely used in a variety of fields. With the right tools and resources, anyone can learn to code, and we hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, be sure to like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest technology trends. Thanks for watching.